Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let me see about one of the interesting and important topics, that is the main difference between MCB, MCCB, RCCB and ELCB. Okay guys, let me get into the video. First one, let me see about an MCB. MCB stands for a miniature circuit breaker, and actually MCB is a protective device, that is it will cut off or it is turned off the circuit during an abnormal conditions like short circuit, overload, and solenoid short circuit. Short circuit in the sense, if due to any leakage or in some during in abnormal conditions, like if the phase current is passed through in a neutral, in the sense that is nothing but in short circuit it will detect. And also overload is nothing but if in any phase is uh, if if the phase conductor is getting in any situation, like it is cut down and it will touch the ground mean, it will leads to draw more about the current from the source. That is, in this time it will draw the much current from the load. It stands for overload. And also solenoidal short circuit. Solenoidal short circuit nothing but in the motor we using the windings. In that winding, due to that phase short circuit mean, it also detect. That is mainly the MCB used for protecting the device from the any abnormal conditions. And also the it works on the principle of a bimetallic principle. That is, when the high current is flow, the metal bent and it will cut off the circuit. That is, the metal which is used inside the MCB, it will MCB will bend during an high current. That is, you guys know the current is one of the thermal energy. So the metal used inside the MCB will bend during a high current. That is, when the high current is passed, the metal get heat up, so it will bend and it will cut off the circuit. That is, it leads to open circuit. So the current will not pass through the circuit. That is, it will protect the circuit by that principle. That is, it will during the when the high current is passed through that metal, it will burn, it will bend and it will cut off the circuit. It will works like this. And also, you guys can ask that we can use fuse now. Why should we go to the MCB like that? Yeah, we can use the fuse, but in fuse one of the main drawbacks is when it is getting uh, failed, we need to replace the other coil strip. That is, we need to replace periodically if it is getting turned off. Sorry, that is, if it is cut off due to high current, we need to replace it. But in MCB, it will get tripped off. Then it will, if that problem is solved, mean just if it turned on, it will works like a normal. But in fuse, we need to replace that. So that is the main advantage of MCB over fuse. And also the main application of MCB is it is used in household applications for protecting the device, especially for low power applications. MCB is used like household or in many households, and that is, and some domestic applications. And the rating of MCB is started from few milliamps to the 125 amps. Now let us see the MCCB. The MCCB stands for molded case circuit breaker, and also it is used to protect the device as like MCB, but MCCB is used for high power applications. That is, it is the purpose of MCCB is same as MCB. That is, it also protects the device from the high current and short circuit, but it is mainly used for high power applications, especially in industries like that. And also, one of the unique characteristics in MCCB is the current ratings can be adjustable. That is, the rating of this MCCB is not fixed. We can adjust for according to our applications. The main application of MCCB is, as guys know, it is mainly used for high power applications. So it is mainly used in like protection of capacitor banks and generator protections like that. and the rating is start from and up to 1600 amps. That is, it is started from maybe it is start from 50 to 1600. That is, we can even see it can withstand up to 1600 amps, such a huge current also. So it is mainly used for an high power applications. Now let us see the what RCCB. The RCCB stands for residual current circuit breaker. That is used to protect the human from leakage current, or it can disconnect the circuit whenever there is an imbalance in phase conductor. That is, the RCCB is mainly used for humans. That is, if any human is getting electrocuted due to so many leakage, means it will detect it and it will trip off it will getting tripped off. And also it is one of the safest device to detect an electric shock. That is, it can also detect the leakage from 30 milliamps, because when we get electrocuted, a few milliamps current will pass through our body. This it also actually this amount of current leakage can also be detected using RCCB. And the main applications of RCCBs, it is mainly used in household applications, or where the human is where uh, there is an human presence. That is mainly actually it is used for protecting the human. So it is used where the human source is high. And also it is mandatory in many states, since it is an used for protecting the human. By considering this unique characteristics, many states in many states it is mandatory to install in every homes. And also the current rating is started from 60 amps to it ranges from 100 amps. Okay guys, let me see about an ELCB. The ELCB stands for Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker, and the ELCB sends the leakage from the earth wire. Actually, it is an old technology and it is not commonly in use. That is just if during any short circuit, the the it will get leakage through the neutral wire. Just it will detect that and it will sense that and it will getting turn so that is stripped off during the presence of current in the neutral wire. And it is the actually it is not the application is not at present, because this since it is an old technology, so it is not used in at present. Okay guys, hope you learned many things about few circuit breakers and its difference. If you like this video, just share. And if you need to learn many things about the electrical regarding to electrical field, mean, just subscribe and like guys. Okay, let me see. Okay guys, let me see in the next video. Thank you.